Be careful, Rylan.
You know what type of vehicle this is? Do you know what we do with an ambulance?
When the people get hurt, and they come to the hospital.
Yeah. So when people are sick or hurt, we'll go get them, we'll take care of them, and we'll take them to the hospital. So you said.
Good job, Rylan.
You seem like an expert on the subject.
He's an expert on everything.
Okay. Did you hear what we were talking about? You said this is an ambulance. And you take people,
Rylan, come back on this side. Stay on this side.
yeah, that's where we drive. There's a lot of sensitive equipment. It's comfy? A lot of people say it's not comfy. I'm glad you said it is. What's your name? Myron?
Rylan.
Rylan?
Rylan.
So from now on, when someone says this isn't right, I'm gonna say Rylan said it's comfy.
Rylan said it's comfy. Come on, Rylan. Say thank you.
You want to keep it? Nah, I got to put it away later, and I can't leave you in here.
Yeah.
Mom will not be happy.
Yes. And Dad won't be happy either. Say thank you. Shake his hand. Say it was nice meeting you. Thank you for the information. Say bye.
I can pick up heavy metal.
You can pick up heavy metal?
Can you? Oh, your muscles.
Alright.
Thank you. You too. Come on, Rylan. Stop jumping off that. You don't want to hurt yourself. And then you'll be in the ambulance going to the hospital. All right, baby boy. Okay.